So here's how you can take math notes on the iPad. Let me show you how that works, especially in the latest versions of the iPad OS. Let's get started. And if this is your first time in here, most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. So the math notes are kind of like both part of the Notes app as well as part of the calculator app. So if we start with the calculator, which by the way hasn't been available on the iPad for like the longest time ever, but you can get inside as such, and in at the top right you can see the modes of the calculator. So usually we are part of the basic, but you can switch to the scientific or conversions, but we also have the math notes. So you can get inside as such, and it kind of shows you like this page where it looks like a notes app. You can start like a new note and then use your finger or even Apple Pencil would work fine to like draw some equations, right, which get solved in the real time right in front of you, right? So if you just type in something or write something like 12 times 16, hit the equals button, you can see that you get the finished result right on the screen. So that's like the whole point behind that. But you can see that since I wrote it inside of the calculator app, it is right there, but it also becomes part of the notes app, where if you go to the like left panel and click on the math notes, you can see that this is the latest one which I wrote. So I as well have the ability to find it in here and go through the notes app, but also it's part of the calculator, so you can find it in all places that you need. So that is basically all. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I hope to see you later in the future videos as well.